Hello YouTube modeling community, Todd H here, Lugnuts Hot Rod Garage. Just a quick update, guys, on the 2014 box stock build. I've been watching most everybody's videos, I think. I'm really amazed at how fast some of you guys build. A lot of you guys are done already. In all honesty, I'm going to be lucky if I'm done by November 2nd. There's just a lot of parts to this build. It's going together really nice, and I don't want to rush it. But I will show you. This is the engine. And I got it done today. So I'll show you the other side here. Really nicely detailed. The parts all have a place and they fit where they're supposed to fit. I don't know, guys, I probably sound like a broken record, but I just can't say enough about this particular Mobius kit. I've not had any others, so I can't speak to those, but this one is just a really nice quality kit. I don't know if this is focusing very well for you guys or not. But anyway, that's the engine. That's one part of the model that's done. I've kind of done a couple of different things with this build that I haven't tried focusing on before. I'm kind of going in the order that the instructions say to go. I'm trying to make it to where when I'm gluing the parts that I'm getting a nice solid connection between the parts. It just seems like my other kits that I've built have been a little weak as far as how they're, with the glue sticking or not sticking, and having better luck this time, and I'm focusing on that more. So the engine's done. There's the chassis. It's obviously not done, not even close. I am going to do some mild weathering on this. There's the frame. I've got some parts over here that I'm getting ready to paint. These pieces, the dash, the wheels are going to be the body color. I got the radiator painted earlier, the shocks, the lower A-arms, drive shaft. I think the A-arms drive shaft shocks I had done the other day. But anyway, guys, that's basically it. Again, I'm enjoying everybody's builds. Hope you all are having a nice weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.